Alright, last time you couldn't hear me, so I'm gonna redo it. Fuck it. AMO. CKM. Yeah. I said I'm sick with the pen, yeah, I'm ill in my mind, dropping 10 like I just let go of a dime. My spitting is a crime, it's really quite amusing, cause we can both talk, but when I speak, it's music. Give it straight to you, it's cake with no icing. Catch me in Tampa Bay, you get struck like lightning. I'm in a predicament, it's so hard for me to handle. I swear this shit got me tripping like I'm wearing old sandals. Think before you speak, I'm only gonna say it once. Just the ball ammo and get fucked like it couldn't get boiled like some noodles, then get dumped like it was lunch. Rhymes. Yeah, I got a bunch. Retarded in my head, you might catch me in the tar car, but put your chin up and see, I'll be where the stars are. Dick eating off the ball, you'll need to get a life, cause mine already started and I'm about to take flight on these bitches when I'm dipping through the flow. Got him wishing he was different, who you kidding? I'm the shit cause I'm always winning, but fuck it. Haters hold me down like luggage, got these bitches doing what I want like puppets, but no Miss Piggy, please bear with me. Make your eyes pop at your head like you was staring at some titties. Yeah, I'm sick with it, got 'em running for the hills, cause my mouth busts rounds like the bullets from a 50. Shit.